Hello everyone, this is Akash. Today I'm showing you how to run your Java program in VS Code. Now I will go to VS Code official site. So this is VS Code official site. Now I'm going to visit docs page. After open this page, you will see the official documentation. Click the Java link here. After clicking here, you will see getting started. Just click here. After visiting getting started page, you will see install coding pack for Java. This is an official package for install required application as like Java Development Kit and Visual Studio Code. Also, it will configure your Visual Studio Code to run your Java program. So now download this package. I already downloaded this file. This is my downloaded file. Now install this package. Just double click here. After double click, you will see this window. Here you will see this is install coding for Java. First accept this terms and license agreement. Now click next. Here you will see configure components. Required components are listed below. Click install to proceed. Here you will see Java Development Kit 11 OK and Visual Studio Code OK. That means I already download and install this application. If you don't, you will see not installed or something like that. Don't worry, this package automatically download and configure the required application. Now click install button. It will take some time to install and configure your application. When it installs, just finish and launch the VS Code. I'll finish this setup. Now I will check my Java program, it works or not. So first create a folder in your directory and open it by VS Code. I already created it to save my time. So I will open my folder by open folder option. Here you see this is my folder. Now I'm going to open it. Select folder and now open it. Now create a Java file. Hope you know about basic Java class. Here I created a Java file named main.java and paste my Java code here. Look here, this is my Java code. I will decrease my font size. Now run this code by F5 or a code runner extension. This is code runner extension. Now I will run this program. This is a sample code before I wrote. Now enter an username. Here I am going to write Akash and here is the output. Thank you everyone, hope you understand. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.